Welcome to Google Earth. I'm Brian, the product manager on the Earth team. We've been hard at work improving Earth with lots of new and exciting features. We're building a whole new way to work in the product. Today, I'll show you how to get more out of those features so you can save time, get the right information, and make decisions wherever you're working. Earth has been the place where you can see incredible imagery around the globe for decades. But we know your needs are evolving, and we've been updating Earth to match, adding professional tools to help you find important data, add your own content, analyze areas of interest, and work with AI. Let's start with imagery. Everyone knows Earth has amazing imagery. It's a rich, real-world canvas to help you anchor every decision in reality. You might not know that we have more imagery in Earth today than ever before. We have 2D satellite, 3D photorealistic, animated time lapses, historical imagery, street view, and historical street view all available in the product. You're seeing a great example of it here in the Golden Gate Bridge. And exploring this imagery is pretty simple. Just zoom by scrolling in or out, drag the map to pan, and hold Shift to move your camera. You can also set your tilt and heading more precisely here. If you want to see what things looked like from above in the past, just activate historical imagery. Go to the toolbar and turn it on. You'll see that in San Francisco, we have historical imagery that goes back decades, all the way to the 1930s. If you want to know what things looked like from up close, just activate Street View. Drag the icon onto the map, and you get a great sense of what things look like on the ground. It's a great way to save a site visit and get a new perspective on areas of interest. And if you want to evaluate change or monitor specific sites, you can use Historical Street View to go all the way back in time. In this case, back to 2008. Imagery in Earth is great, but combining it with projects and professional-grade data in Earth is even better. Map projects let you put all this information to work. They're organized in Drive and available in the cloud. You can save your work, share it with your team, and tell a story with geospatial information. To get started, just click New Map from the home screen or from the File menu. You can add content to your project easily by importing from your Drive or desktop, opening My Maps projects, adding data layers, place marks, or polygons, making basic measurements, and analyzing with more advanced analysis tools. If you ever need help, you can always check out our documentation, community forum, or release notes to learn about what's new. Of course, you can still explore the world in a map project, so I'll search here for San Francisco, and it'll take me back to my area of interest. But all my content in a map project can be saved and organized in this left-hand panel. To show you what that looks like, I'll open an existing project. And you'll see here that I have a few different place marks already saved in the left-hand panel. I can drag and drop them to organize, put them inside of folders, and I can also multi-select them to edit them together. In this case, I'll quickly change the icon and color just like that. I can also make and save basic measurements in Google Earth. I'll just click the measure tool from the toolbar, click on my map, and I can measure a linear distance or area and see a corresponding elevation profile. I can also save this to my project. In addition to place marks, polylines, and measurements, Earth also has a rich data catalog. This lets you access, organize, and visualize information in just a few clicks. We have layers for climate, infrastructure, terrain, land use, and more from around the world, and you can save time finding and organizing on data and make informed decisions. We're rapidly expanding our data catalog with more layers. We're giving you access to outputs from our latest AI models. Many of these layers are available for free, and we have more powerful and specialized layers available in our professional and professional advanced plans. To show you how these layers work, I'll turn on the elevation contours data layer here. You can see how I can understand how terrain is changing across the landscape. I can also turn on this digital elevation model layer here. You can see that it has truly global coverage computed by Google Earth Engine. I can also go deeper on layers, in this case, a zoning layer in San Francisco. Inside of a project, I can customize this layer to make it my own. I can view it as a data table to see structured information about each row and its attributes. And I can also filter this data to make it right for my project, in this case, showing only residential zones. So while Earth gives you a lot of data out of the box, we often know the most important data is your own. Google Earth makes it easy to bring your data onto the real-world canvas. You can securely save and style your data to create custom layers, centralize insights, and make the map unique to your needs. To start, I'll import a shapefile into this project. I can style this imported shapefile as a data layer to make it right for my needs. In this case, I'll use data-driven styling to change its color based on the status attribute, and I'll pick the color mapping that I want. I can also increase the width to increase legibility. Now, I can also add a 3D model to this project. All I have to do is click Edit and drag it into place. It's a great way to view a conceptual massing on top of Earth's rich 3D imagery. Super useful for architecture, planning, and development. In addition to importing my own data, I can create my own analysis in Earth as well. If I want to better understand and measure terrain, I can use site analysis tools for generating contours. I just click to define an area of interest, set my interval, and I can generate elevation contours right on the map. These provide more precise information than what's available in the data layer catalog. The result is generated as a data layer, and I can style it just like that. In this case, coloring it by elevation. Of course, our goal in Earth is to make it easy to get from question to answer as simply as possible. A great way we're doing that is by making more tools available at your fingertips as part of Ask Google Earth. Ask Google Earth lets you combine your expertise with Google AI trained specifically to power geospatial workflows. I can ask Earth to provide some basic context about my project in San Francisco. Ask Earth can search Earth's data catalog and its own sources and add that information right onto the map. As you can see, Ask Earth has added the information as a data layer to my project, and I can also use Earth to create more specific analyses as well. In this case, I'll select my site as a piece of context for the model, and I can ask it to find bus stops nearby. Ask Earth makes it easy to speak and converse with an AI model to organize your information, identify potential sites, search imagery, and so much more. Ask Earth can save you time and give you access to answers that make you more successful. In this case, Earth has found 9 bus stops within 400 meters of my desired location. I can also use Google Earth to generate building designs for early stage feasibility in planning, development, and architecture. All I have to do is select my site, enter a few key inputs, and I'll get designs generated right on my map. Each design is evaluated for square footage, unit counts, and key information like solar energy potential. All of this information in my project can be shared with others to make the most of it. It's organized in Drive, so I can just share by adding other users to my project. And I can do this on our mobile apps on iOS and Android as well. I can also present projects to share with others visually. And that's Earth. Discover a whole new way to work in Google Earth. Try it today, connect with us, and share feedback. We'd love to hear from you.